Ram Temple opening. Bhadradi Temple yet to receive invitation.
The
The
historic
historic
Sita
Sri Rama
Ramachandra Swami Temple.
Chandraswamy Temple in Telangana's Bhadrachalam town, popularly known as Dakshina Ayodhya, has lined up a host of special pujas and rituals coinciding with the consecration ceremony of the Ram Temple in Ayodhya on Monday. A Shobha Yatra and recital of Ramayana, among other programs, are scheduled to be held at the temple on Monday. However, the 17th century Sri Sitarama Chandraswamy Devasthanam in Bhadrachalam had not received any formal invitation for the Ayodhya Rama Mandir inauguration from the Sri Rama Janmabhoomi Tirtha Kshetra Trust till Saturday evening, temple sources said. So added that some devotees distributed pamphlets published by the organizers of the consecration ceremony of Ayodhya Ram Temple among the staff at the office of the temple executive officer in Bhadrachalam a few days ago. The temple authorities were not available for their comments.